Hey guys, Rusty Screws RC here. So a quick update on the version 2 cockpit for an FPV drone. So right now we have the servos hooked up and tested and ready to go. We have the flight controller set up and ready to go along with the DJI 04 Pro. And around here in the back we have the receiver and the GPS. So the last part we're waiting for is the digital display from FPV Toys, and we're going to put that right here. So once that gets in, we'll keep going at it. Alright guys, we're back on the bench with the version 2 of the cockpit, right? And I just got the digital display, the LCD screen from FPV Toys, and I ordered the 3.5 inch or whatever, and this thing is freaking huge. So I got to figure out how to way to mount this thing. So time to get back at it. Alright guys, we're getting close. So we have the screen from FPV Toys installed, hooked up to the flight controller, and she's working. So next step is to start building out the rest of the cockpit. So time to get back at it. Alright guys, we're making some progress here. We have the cockpit mounted to the quad. Now I just have to figure out where I'm going to put the flight controller. I decided to use mounts or posts, standoffs, whatever you want to call them. Because I had to make sure that the cockpit cleared the props. So time to get back at it. Alright guys, we got everything mounted. So I put the flight controller in the back next to the receiver. And that was it. So we have everything hooked up and ready to go. Next steps, working on the body, if you will. I need to build an enclosure for this part here for some more additional protection. But in all honesty, I'm not sure how much that'll matter, because if I crash this thing, everything on top's going to be gone anyway. So, all right, guys, let's get back at it. And for version 2, we're going to be testing out the digital display from FPV Toys. So we got it hooked up and she is ready to go. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. So yeah guys, when I finish the canopy and enclose the screen, that should take care of the issue with glare. And the issue with vibrations, I think, came from the props getting chewed up. So there's a bolt underneath the screen here, and when I spun the props freely, they didn't hit the bolt, but I didn't think about having them under speed, so they clipped them when I was in the air, and it just destroyed the front props. So I think it caused a lot of vibration. Hey guys, Rest of Screws RC here. Thanks for making it to the end. I really do appreciate it. Tell me what you guys think, and thanks for watching.